just puts you in the mood to like get cozy and even get a little kinky with your man, who knows? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe down below, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I have a what's in my luggage video. I am traveling pretty soon, so I just wanted to show you guys what I have in my carry-on. So if you guys want to see what those items are, stay tuned. Let me just show you guys my carry-on. This is it. Here you can see my carry-on fully. It is pretty sturdy. I feel like it's super heavy even though I don't have that much. So I don't know why it feels like that. Let me just drink some water because I am pretty parched. I don't know why. And by the way, how cute is this personalized cup that my cousin did for me? I love it. Wow, I feel so refreshed. So I just want to start off with the most important thing, which is your traveling pillow. So I forget where I got this pillow from. I believe it was at the airport, but the brand is called World's Best. I don't even know if that's the brand, but it has a little clip. So you just put it around your neck and you clip it back. Let's just act like this is the airplane chair and I am living life. I can just fall asleep. So you know what this feels like the Tempur-Pedic beds or pillows, if you've ever tried them. This is how comfy it is. Oh, I love it. And so this is a must because you know that the airplane seats are really uncomfortable, especially when you're not traveling first class and you're economy. So best believe that if you have one of these, you'll sleep through the entire flight and before you know it, you're at your destination. Now, accompanied with the pillow is your face mask. So this one is from Target. It's the Conair brand. I love it because it's furry here and then it's silky in the back. So I don't want to pop it in now because then I'll get makeup all over it, but super comfortable, very elastic, so it fits, you know, like any head shape. It's like a one size fits all, and it was only $4. So this is great because some people turn their light on when you're on the plane, or you know, if you're traveling during the day, if people have their windows up, you have the sunlight, and you just don't want to be disturbed. So you want to be able to sleep with your pillow, with your mask, and you're good to go, you know? Another essential when it comes to just breezing through your flight is the Airpods. So these I actually just pop in and I listen to music, I listen to a podcast, whatever it is to entertain myself and just close my eyes and just relax. So these are great because obviously they're wireless, so there's no wire situation going on. You're pretty comfy and they don't fall out. They're not slippery or anything like that. I'm sure most of you guys have these anyways because these are very popular. But yes, these are a must, especially when flying, because I just want to be, you know, in my own zone and not worry about other outside noise. So when I'm not listening to music, I'm actually reading, and I'm currently reading the Matthew McConaughey memoir, and it is actually so good. So I'm almost done with it, but I take it on my flight, I read a couple of chapters, I put it down, I go back into listening to music, you know, just alternate if I'm not feeling tired and I can't sleep. So next is my Toiletry bag, and this bag I actually got from Target, and I will show you guys some of the things that I have in here. So I don't know about you, but every time I'm in a flight, my throat starts to act weird. So I love to have the Halls. So this is the honey vanilla flavor, and it relieves cough and sore throat. So I don't know, I just get a tingling sensation, and so I pop one of these and I instantly feel better. So I like to have a pack of these in my bag. As we all know, we are in a pandemic, so you must have hand sanitizer, and this one is actually from my girlfriend's bridal shower. It says spread love, not germs, and so let me actually have some right now because I've been touching a lot of things, and I just, you know, I've been paranoid these days for sure, especially with all the cases rising. So you must have hand sanitizer or hand wipes, whatever you prefer. And then I have extra masks with me because you can never have too many masks. And then I have my oral care trio, which is my Scope mouthwash, the toothpaste, and then just a travel toothbrush, because sometimes if you've been on a long flight and you're eating, you just feel like you need a refresher. So I go into the bathroom and I just rinse, or I brush my teeth quickly and I'm good to go. I can't go anywhere without carrying Advil. So these are the liquid gels, because all of a sudden I'll get a headache and I really can't get rid of it, and I just pop one of these and in 30 minutes I feel better. So with that being said, I don't like to use medication every single time, so I try the holistic way, and I actually got this tea tree roll-on from the dollar store, and I love it because I'll put it in my temples if I have a headache, or in the back of my neck, and it'll relieve some of the tension that I'm feeling. Sometimes it'll go away completely, sometimes it won't, and that's when I'll take some Advil. But I try to use this first before popping any medication, just to try and see if it works. So I also have these eye drops, and these are great if you all of a sudden have itchy eyes, or if your eyes are red, they're strained, whatever. You put 1 or 2 drops in each eye and you instantly feel refreshed, moisturized, and it clears out, you know, any redness that you may have. So I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to using the bathroom in the airplane, sometimes I just can't help it and I have to go. And when I say I have to go, I don't mean number 1, I mean number 2. And so obviously there's people that are waiting right after you. It's like really confined space. So I always bring with me my poopery. Right before using the restroom, I spray 1 or 2 spritz, and it smells so heavenly. It's lemon citrus, and so you don't even know that I'm using the bathroom. You come in right after me, you thought I was just peeing. And talking about using the restroom, I like to use the down there wipes to wipe myself. These are great. They're hypoallergenic. They have rose water and bamboo, plant-based, flushable, organic aloe, so they refresh, they moisturize, all that good stuff that you need down there, just, you know, when you had a long day. So when it comes to wipes, I also have makeup removing wipes that I bring with me, because if I want to apply lipstick, I like to remove the layer that I've already had and reapply. And then referring to lips, I actually have my Aquaphor lip balm. It has SPF 30, which is great if you're in a sunny area, your lips are being protected. And I don't know about you, but I have really, really, really dry hands. And actually, I've spoken about this before, but I have eczema on this hand. So this hand is extra dry. And so I buy the O'Keeffe's, I think that's how you pronounce it, Working Hands hand cream. So this hand cream is great. I'm actually gonna put some on right now because my hand definitely needs some moisture. And then I have a couple of other things that you don't use on the airplane, but you obviously need when you go on vacation. So I have travel size bottles of shampoo and conditioner, Tresemme, and then I have my sunscreen. So for this video, this is actually 6.5 ounces, which obviously this cannot go in the carry-on, but just for the sake of this video, because I do have the little travel size version, but I just can't find it. So this is the 100 SPF Beach Defense Neutrogena Water Sun sunscreen spray. I love this spray. It doesn't feel oily. It feels really nice on the skin, and it protects you, which is the most important. And I need 100 because your girl gets dark real quick. And then last thing in this toiletry bag is the nail file. So I have gel, as you can see, but because I'm gonna be getting in the water, the beach, the pool, my nail can sometimes break. They are kind of weak. So if I have my nail file, I'll just fix it up right away. Moving on to the makeup bag. So here I only have the essential makeup items, not all of my makeup. That is in my other luggage, which is the bigger one that you put in the belt. So here I have my beauty blender, and I actually have it in this little case, and that is because I want to keep it clean and then also want to prevent it from getting moldy. I have my Rare Beauty foundation in case I need to add some foundation. I have my concealer. This is the 16-hour Camel Concealer from e.l.f. And then I have another Rare Beauty item, which is the blush in the color Joy. Then I have my Fenty Beauty highlighter. As you can see, I really like the color Hustler Baby because it's almost done. Now I need to start using Mean Money. Then I have my favorite mascara, which is pretty busted right now. It's the Superhero by IT Cosmetics. I have my lip combo, which is the NYX in the color Maison. So this is great to outline your lip, and then I add the London Soft Matte Lip Cream. So this gives you like the perfect nude. And then I have my lip gloss, which is the Maybelline gloss in the color Stone. And I can't stress it enough, but if you're looking for a KKW dupe, this is the best dupe because it gives you the exact finish. And then I have my baby hair combo, which is my baby hair brush, and then my Edge Booster cream or gel. It's like a water-based gel. So it looks like this. So I just add a little bit of gel and then I scoop up my hairs with the brush. And then last but not least, you can't go without scrunchies. So I have all this hair stuck. So then I have multiple scrunchies because you can't have enough. And these are great because they don't leave any marks in your hair, which is why I carry them. And now moving on to clothes, I actually like to carry a big sweater with me like this one because it gets really cold in the airplane and all I want to do is get under a blanket, and so this is the closest thing that I have to a blanket and it keeps me nice and warm. I also bring a change of clothes with me just in case because you never know if something spills on you or if you get your period or really anything. You just want to be prepared. So this is a jumpsuit from Naked Wardrobe. I love this jumpsuit, not only because it's a great color, but also because the quality is really good. It lasts such a long time, it's stretchy, and you just look so good in this. It accentuates all your curves, so this is my go-to jumpsuit. Then I have my women briefs from Hanes. So I like to bring extras with me just in case, like I said, if something happens. And then I have extra pair of socks. And the last clothing piece isn't for the airplane. It's more so when you are going to bed. So this is a cute PJ and it is a, oh, sorry about that. It is a button down shirt and it's silky material. I got it from Target. I love the pattern. It kind of just, you know, gives me like that elegant, rich vibe, and I'm excited to just wear it. I also have all my sunglasses with me. So these are honestly no more than $10 sunglasses. I get them in Chinatown in the city. Why? Because I lose sunglasses like I lose scrunchies, and I don't feel like paying $100+ for glasses that I might potentially lose. So I rather go the cheap way, and in case I lose them, it doesn't hurt as much. So these are really nice. These are like Kim K vibes. Like, look at that. Serving looks, baby. And then these are really cool. These I got from Pretty Little Thing. And then these are like cat eye sunglasses. I really love them. So all these sunglasses I bring with me because you can never have too many sunglasses, girl. And then last but not least, in my luggage is these PLT Slides. So these are for the pool, the beach, and even to be in the hotel room. And they actually match with my toes because I painted my toes white, right? I feel like every girl, when they go on vacation, they paint their toes white. It's like the signature vacation color. That's how you know you'll be MIA for a couple of days. That is all for everything that I have in my carry-on bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below. Let me know what you carry in your carry-on bag. And if you guys have any video suggestions for me, also let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!